Let's be honest for a second. Most home gym equipment ends up as a very expensive clothes rack. We buy them with the best intentions, but after 2 weeks, we just get tired of the living room looking like a cluttered commercial gym. It's always in the way, and eventually, it just becomes part of the furniture. But this is the Cure Foldable Exercise Bike. And I'm telling you, this is the cure for that exact problem. It's not just another piece of equipment. It's designed to actually fit into your life, rather than forcing you to rearrange your life around it. What really sets this bike apart is the engineering under the hood, a 16-level magnetic resistance system. Why does that matter? Because it's whisper quiet. That means you can get a full cardio session in at 6 a.m. while the rest of the house is still fast asleep. Or you can catch up on your favorite show in the evening without having to blast the volume just to hear over the machine. It's built for long-term comfort, too. We've all used those bikes with seats that feel like sitting on a brick, right? The Cure features an ergonomically padded seat designed for longer sessions. Plus, the smart LCD monitor keeps you dialed in, tracking your pulse, speed, distance, and calories in real time. It's everything you need to see your progress right in front of you. We also have to talk about stability. The pedals are non-slip and come with adjustable straps to keep you locked in, whether you're doing a light warm-up or a high-intensity interval sprint. But my absolute favorite part? The footprint. When you're done, you don't need a toolbox or a storage unit. It folds up in seconds,